All right. Welcome back, gentlemen, to the Bitcoin market update. Today is March 20th, 2020. Let's jump into the markets. Bitcoin, BTC, USD on the 1 day for Coinbase is $6,100. Stay out of it for now. We did get rejection near the 20. We could have maybe a positive day today. I'm not sure. But remember, for the last 2 days, we've been talking about a technical bounce inbound. Here it is. This could be the top for that. You might see a rollover at this point and maybe see consolidation again back in this yellow zone. Stay out of it. LTC, BTC, stay out of that one as well. It is continuing its downtrend. LTC USD is at $37.49. Stay out of it. Ethereum Bitcoin, stay out of it. Ethereum USD is at $130. Stay out of it. Tezos BTC, stay out of it. Tezos USD, stay out of that one as well. Bitcoin Cash BTC, stay out of it. Bitcoin Cash USD, stay out of this one. Ethereum Classic BTC, stay out of it. Ethereum Classic USD, stay out of that one. XRP BTC, stay out of it. XRP USD at 15 cents, stay out of it. EOS BTC, stay out of it. EOS USD, stay out of it. Dash BTC. Oh, Dash, look at that. Did we get a close above the Kumo cloud? Nope, just below it. Okay, so we're going to have to watch this one right here. I don't know if you guys were listening earlier when I said this is interesting. This big candle came in and looks really bullish, right? However, the rejection at the top of the Kumo cloud right here, that first day, gave me pause. Then we started to consolidate a little bit, close below the Kumo cloud. Now we're closing in the Kumo cloud. I do anticipate if this thing closes above the Kumo cloud, I would be looking to try to get into it. But for now, not real interested. I mean, we're basically where we were 3 days ago. So not much has changed. There would have been no gain to get in yet. Okay, so stay out of it. Dash USD, $70.87 is still a sell. Stellar Lumens BTC, stay out of it. Stellar Lumens USD, stay out of this one. ZEC BTC, stay out of it. Still fighting with that 50-day moving average. Two wicks have got inside there and the Kumo cloud, but have been quickly rejected. So we're going to stay out of it. OXT USD, stay out of it. Atom BTC, stay out of it. Atom had actually a pretty good day today on the uptick, but bears swatted it right back down. Watch that 50. We're still below it. Atom USD is at $2.15. Stay out of it. Link USD, stay out of it. Rep BTC, stay out of it. Rep USD is at $8.11. Starting to roll over. Stay out of it. 0x BTC still on the downtrend. Stay out of it. 0x USD is at 15 cents. Stay out of it. Algo USD is 15 cents also. Stay out of it. KNC BTC, stay out of it. And KNC USD at 48 cents. Stay out of it. Okay, so let's jump into total market cap at $168 billion. It's starting to look like it kind of wants to roll over a little bit, doesn't it? Total market cap 2 at 55 billion. Same thing there. And Bitcoin dominance at 66%. Look at that close above the 200-day. Oh, this is really good. I like this. Now, all in all, we have to be careful that we were living below it and then we popped above and got rejection. So now we're going to live above it. Look out for that rejection. But I would say this looks very positive for me. Getting above the Kumo cloud is one thing. Also, the 200-day EMA is what I'm using. Is another. So that's really, really good. Let's jump into others dominance, and I'm just going to leave that there for now. I just need to lock this down. Yeah, it is. Okay. Others dominance is at 6.72 and looks like it's consolidating right above the 200 EMA also. Interesting. Very interesting. We're still inside that triangle. Look out. It'll make a decision soon. Bitcoin, BTC USD on the 1 day for Coinbase is still $6,118 now. Okay, so guys, it took me a while because I usually learn through the School of Hard Knocks. And one of the things I learned was how to get rid of half of my trades, like half of my worthless trades. How can I get rid of them just immediately? Just throw them in the garbage. And they're trades that you enter a trade, but then they suddenly reverse and become losses, whether it's a day or two, like the trend continues to go down and you're in it. Okay, how do you get rid of those? Well, let's zoom out. We're still on the daily, and what I want to do is zoom out on to this big old chart here. We're going to stay on the daily, and I just want to zoom out on Bitcoin here. Okay, so if you had taken, you could just start anywhere. If you started here and price action got below your 50-day, and what I can do is isolate some of these so it makes it a little easier for you. This is, I'll get rid of that one and say that one and that one and that one. There you go. And then we will close that for now. Get rid of your Bollinger Band, hide it. Get rid of the SAR. And there. Okay. All right. So this is just your 50-day moving average. Okay. Just to clean it up a little bit. And we'll go like that too. All right. So you could just start here because we're going to just start at one spot and move forward. Anytime price action is below the 50, just stay out of it. See all this right here moving along? For the most part, we got to close above the 50, but just wait for it and then it falls back below. Okay. Just think of your 50-day moving average as a period where you just don't want to be involved in it at all. Not at all. So all the times that I entered trades and got out and 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 entered trades and then had to get out. Okay, you eliminate half of your trades if you just say, hey, look, if it's below the 50, I want nothing to do with it. Now, FOMO is going to try to get you to get into this. So, for example, you're down here. You got a really good day to the upside. Next day comes in, big day to the upside. Next couple of days, big move to the upside. And you're just sitting there just biting your nails like, oh, gosh, I really screwed up, man. I really screwed up. Have faith, okay? Have faith in your 50 because your 50-day moving average, usually price action wants to consolidate into it, and then it will make a decision and it'll back test and you'll have plenty of time to get into it. Okay. So now if you stay out of it until it's living above it, then you can enter the trade and then don't worry about it. If you want to just trade on the 50, that's fine too. But I prefer to use my 9. I love my 9. But my 9 can help me exit a trade really well if I'm in a trade above the 50. Okay, so it'll help me decide this would be a good exit, or maybe even back here if I brought that 9 back in. Let's pull it in. I'm just curious. Let's pull it in. All right, there you go. There's your 9. Okay. So you close below the 9, just like I thought, and you want to exit. So you want to get out. Okay. Oh, back above the 9, we'll enter back in with a flush trade. See that? By the time you exited and by the time you entered, it was pretty close to a flush trade. Now, you want to enter trades if price action is above the 50, right? But you want to exit quickly so you can maintain capital. So if at any point you're looking at it, a dip below the 50, you don't want to be involved in it. You definitely want to sell down here. Don't want to be a part of any of this. But once it starts poking above and starts living and breathing above it, then your exit is your 9. So when you close below the 9, you can exit there. So if you just base it on closes, right? You closed above the 50, you're at 10,111. And your exit would be probably right here at 11,288. That's a really nice gain. Okay, so I'm just showing you how you can eliminate 50% of your trading, because trading really is kind of expensive, and you can eliminate a lot of useless trades by only getting in if it pops above that 50. Okay, and if it's above that 50, your chances of a trend are higher, right? Your chances of it really taking off are higher. If it's below the 50 and it takes off, then the chances are it's going to come back down maybe to the old low or consolidate on the 50, and then you'll get your chance if you're patient. So I just wanted to share that little bit of nugget information with you guys, because I know that a lot of times you'll look at, say, Bitcoin right here and go, Aaron, it's above the 9. We got to get in. We got to get in. We got to get in. Okay. All right. Listen, it's below the 50. I'm not interested. I'm really not. I'm not interested. And you go back in time, anytime it's below the 50, at best you're going to get what we've called a technical bounce. But it really doesn't always equate to a bull run. Not always. Sometimes it can. Sometimes you get that V-shaped recovery and it goes bam. But hey, maybe you just get back in at the 50 and whatever. If it's a V-shaped recovery and it pops above the 50, man, when you look back in history on a V-shaped recovery that you got in above the 50, you're going to think, I pretty much got the bottom, because they usually run pretty hard. So don't worry about that. It'll be fine. And if I'm just sharing with you what I'm doing. So if you like it, great. Otherwise, share with what you like with your trend trade. It'd be really fascinating. I like the trend trade a lot. It speaks to me. Now other people like other different types of trades and different styles of trades, and that is fine too. I love that we all can look at a market with our own style of trading, and we all come to a pretty similar conclusion, right? Not always, but usually we do, on whether to enter or exit a trade. Just find the one that speaks to you. This one speaks to me. Okay, that's it for today, guys. God bless you. Hope your trades are going well, and I will see you tomorrow. Yep, I'm out of here. See ya.